So this is how. So 46 times 3 equals 138. Okay. And 4.6 times 3 is like 46 times 3. But how many numbers away is for the decimal from? So look. The decimal is one place away from right here. So we're gonna take our 138 and go 1. That must be the answer. That is the answer if you put a decimal right there. Do you get it? So how many spaces? So this is 1. So we have to take our original answer and go like 1, put a decimal right there, and that answers that, but with a decimal. Same thing with 0.46 times 3. But this is 2 spaces away from right here. So what would we do with right here? We would go 1, 2, and then put our decimal right there. So that's what I did, 1, 2. See, these are all like the same number, so it's real easy. And so let's do again. Don't know how many of you don't understand or how many you understand. Okay, one more again. 17 times 15 equals 255. And move that decimal over 1 equals, 25.5. So, next question, this. Now we are going to do this. We're going to do this on a scrap sheet of paper. Hold on. This is really typical, easy. Don't know why it wouldn't be easy, but that's why I am doing this for you guys. Okay. Obviously, I'm not just giving you the answers. I'm teaching you guys. So, yeah. Okay. Question is 27. Multiplied by 7. Do you guys know how to multiply? Well, if you don't, that is fine. That is totally fine. We have this multiplication chart right here, works as magic. Okay, what we're gonna do, if you don't know how to use a multiplication chart, I have a multiplication chart, 20 times 20, which equals the highest number that goes on there, that you multiply it by, obviously. The higher is not 20, that would be very small, but okay. So, do you guys know how to do this? I hope you do. It's a very big part of math education and your life. So, first step we're going to be doing in this problem, you're probably thinking, wow, this is like a really, really, really big number. And you're correct, and you're not stupid if you don't know the answer, okay? No one can do this in their head. It's really easy when you work it out. And yeah, so this is for 4th graders down. 5th graders should know this. 6th graders should know this. So this is for 4th graders and down. If you're a 5th grader, know this. This is totally okay if you don't know it. Just the approximate age. So we're gonna take this, and so what we're gonna do is we're not gonna be like, okay, now I have to count this 7 times. Well, I have a multiplication chart, so we're gonna take this number. Wait, I don't see it on my multiplication chart. That's exactly why. That's not how you do it. Like, you just put it on like this. Bigger number goes on top, obviously. That number is bigger than this number. So lower number goes on bottom. You cannot do this. You cannot do 27.4 times 7, okay? No, you just, that is in a wrong place column. It goes, this is how a normal one. Do you know what that word stands for? Well, let's see. Zoom in. Ones, tens, run out of room, sorry, hundreds, like 100. I don't know how to spell hundreds. Thousands. So let's write. See, that is a total disaster. I'm very sorry for that. Okay. How about you look at that? Is that better for you? Sloppy, but obviously I didn't do the thousands yet. Sorry about that. But, yeah. Sorry, guys. Is my phone charging? Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm gonna end it for this video really quick, and then I'll come back, go into the next video that says homework part 2. Okay. Now I'm back. Sorry, guys. So, okay. So, this word stands for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And you can't go, oh, well, it actually is supposed to go like ones, hundreds, tens, and then thousands. No, it just doesn't go like that. You're not allowed to change the rules. Like, if there was a law about, this is random, no white pencils, you're not going to say, well, I'm just going to change it to no orange pencils. No, you're not in control of that. So you cannot change this word. Remember, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, that's why we're using that. Let's go back into the problem. Okay, so how you do this is you're going to take 7 times 4. And I don't care what problem it was, it always goes to that one, It just does. Just never changes. It never, ever changes, ever. So if you're having this problem, you would still go 5 times 0. In this case, it's 7 times 4. And that's why we have the multiplication chart. And now I'm going to show you how to use the multiplication chart. Okay. Gonna go to 7 times 4. Okay. I'm going to go to 4. No, I'm going to go to 7 because that's the bigger number. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that number right there? It is 28. So that is our answer, 28. So we don't put that. No. You never, ever do that, ever. So you want to split 28 into half. which will go like that. And there's not room for both of these numbers, so we would have to take 1 up. Don't go 8, because 8 is more closer to 8's more closer to the ground. 8's more closer to the door, okay? The number closer to the right is closer to the door. But obviously there's this wall there. So 2 can't get underneath the wall. Because here's the floor once again. 2 cannot get to, okay, look. 8 and 2 are trying to get to the door. 8 can go to the door, it's just wide open, like boom. He just goes to the door, okay? But he's still standing there because his friend 2 has this magical wall there and 2 can't go over. Well, 2 can't go this way because that's the ground. 2 would have to go this way. And for 2 to go up to that way, 2 would have to go up here. And then he can go to the door. Is that confusing? I'm sorry if that's confusing. But, so we're going to take 2 up here so he can get to the door that's over here. But 8 can just stay there because he's closer to the door. And you would say, well, why can't you put the 2 right here? No, because we already thinking of a you already made the wall right here. So he can't go on top of the wall, he'll fall down here on the ground. So he has to go like that. Now 2 and 8 are close to the door. Okay, I'll have to stop right here for today's video. This crazy video. I'm sorry guys. I'll make a part 2. Okay, I'll see you later. And I hope you have a great and wonderful day. And do you know who you were with today? Well, you were with dun, 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 Matthew and me. Yes, you were with Matthew and me today, and I do not usually use Matthew and me if I don't have to or if I don't want to, but it's Matthew and me. Sign in. Out.